here's a quick kitchen hack for cooking pre-made tamales that are either frozen or thawed out in your refrigerator. So what I do, take the tamale. In this case, this tamale has been thawed out in the refrigerator. I put it in a sheet of aluminum foil and I roll it like this, just like that. And then I just twist the ends a little bit, leaving a little bit of gap or space within there so that the air can circulate in there best you can. It doesn't have to be perfect, but that's what I do there. So then at this stage, I take it and I put it in a toaster oven. Uh-oh, we have a problem. Currently, there are 3 sweet potatoes cooking in there.
Are they cooked?
Which is another kitchen hack. If you love sweet potatoes like I love sweet potatoes, you can take these little sweet potatoes. We bought them at like Trader Joe's. They're organic too. You stick them in there, put them on for maybe 30 minutes. Go do something, come back. They're beautiful. Once they're done, I'll show you how easy it is to eat them. It's almost like eating a banana. You just peel off that skin and it's delicious. So because I don't have room for this tamale in there, I could put it in there, but I'm not going to. We have this really cool device called the Power Air Fryer. So I pull that out just like that. I put it in here like this, boom, and then I shut it. And I power it on, and then I choose the mode. In this case, that's a chicken one. And I'll put it in there for 20 minutes. I'm gonna increase the temperature a little bit, because last time I did it at 360 wasn't the best. So I'm gonna put it at 400 for, let's do 18 minutes. And we'll come back to this and I'll show you this beautifully cooked tamale. It is so good. It's moist, flavorful, and you didn't microwave it. Something with microwave food just doesn't taste right. Anyways, so there's a kitchen hack. We'll be back in about 30 minutes. Check on it all. Okay, looks like it is complete. Maybe. Now let's check it. Should be decent. Whew, it's hot though. Whew, hot, hot, hot. Here it is. It feels hot. Super duper dee doo hot. Ooh, see that steam? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. That's gorgeous. All right, I'll give this one to Katie. She wanted one. Enjoy. It's hot so much.
Thank you, baby.
I need a fork, don't you?
Sure. So Katie's diving in here. Let me know what you think, if it's to the temperature of your liking. Steamy hot.
Steamy hot! Still steaming. Oh yeah, look at that steam coming off of there. Wow. You could probably put a couple of these separated in that air fryer. Now, chop the middle. So do you think the middle, is the middle hot?
Yes.
You put your finger in there? Did you really? Oh my goodness, I wasn't looking. All right.
Thank you, baby.
Success. So I prefer cooking with a toaster oven over the microwave. And the reason for it is the food just tastes a lot better. And I'm all about good tasting food. So that's my #1 reason for it. Then of course there's all this controversy around microwave food versus non-microwave food and how it's not good for you and all that jazz. So, you know, I don't know how accurate that information is, but I prefer this method. It's a little bit longer, but my goodness, the food is so much better. Like, have you ever had microwave pizza versus reheated in a toaster oven? Night and day difference. So if you can get one, these are like, you get them for like 30 bucks. Pretty good, pretty cheap, pretty expensive. We've used ours quite a bit, as you can see. Ding, it's done. All right, let's do this. Of course, these are really, 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 really hot. So what I suggest is you let them cool down and come back. Uh-oh. We have an accident. Gonna let these cool right here on the counter. before I peel them like a banana. Well, not quite like a banana, but very similar. And you'll see why I say that. Okay, so they're cooled off enough. So what I do is I rip off the top like this, and then I peel the potato. And look at that, it is completely separated from the skin. Well, for the most part. It sticks a little bit, but for the most part. So it's like peeling a banana almost. That's how it kind of looks like a banana, right? There you go. And then you can hold it at the base here and your hands don't get all sticky because these are sweet potatoes and there's a lot of sugar in them. It's really yummy. Yum, yum, yum. Be careful, it can still be hot. That's good. I've noticed that the outer part of the sweet potato is the sweetest and the inside is not as sweet, but it's okay, I still like it. It's a nice little snack. And it's really easy to do. It's kind of one of those set it and forget it kind of things. You could mush it up, put some butter, maybe some salt, if you want to add extra sugar to it. Yum, like Kaya. Then, that's up to you. I prefer it just like this, simple, easy. Very little work. I just don't like to spend a lot of time cleaning up, and I have a very busy day every single day. And this just expedites my time. Or this just optimizes my time a little bit more. I usually don't make a video about what I do on my daily life hacks. But little life hack, easy to do, simple, fun. Heck, you can even sprinkle a little bit of sugar, salt on there. Roll it into some sugar or salt, and maybe even some butter. But all right, done with that. I forgot to mention, I've found out that this size is the quickest to cook. They make them, you can get them bigger and longer, but the cooking time will increase. There's other sweet potatoes that are really long and they're yellow. Those are really sweet. These aren't as sweet, but the smaller size again will allow you to cook them faster. Okay, so in this kitchen hack, I showed you how to quickly make a tamale. So it's a perfect solution for on-the-go kind of lifestyle, quick mornings, or not mornings, but a quick lunch, a quick dinner, quick cleanup. So there you have it. Nice, wonderful, warm tamale. This one's a green chili chicken one that we got at our local Costco. That's pretty good. All right, enjoy this hack. Let me know what you think about it. If you'd like to see more of these kitchen hacks or life hacks that I do, post it in the comments below, and I'd love to hear your feedback. All right, love you guys. God bless you guys. Remember, be encouraged, be available, be expecting. Kingdom of God is at hand, even in your food and how you do daily life. Bop, 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 bop. Apple. I forgot to mention, oh, come on. Not only does this